Guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? If you're new here, kindly hit on the subscription button so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. And to my old subscribers, you guys have been amazing. Keep on watching, keep on liking my videos and leaving comments. Keep on trying out my recipes and letting me know in the comment section. So on today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make chocolate moist cake, as in chocolate moist cake. And fortunately, I will say fortunately, today is going to be my first time of actually making this chocolate moist cake. So you guys are blessed that I'm going to be sharing this experience, my first time of baking a chocolate moist cake with you. If you're some people, I'm sure some people will be like, it's your first time, you should have shot the video. What if you didn't get it right? Trust me guys, cooking comes very natural to me, so I know that it will definitely come out well. So I got somebody ate a red velvet cake that I made, and the person said, please, I want you to make a chocolate cake for me. And I took up the offer. Yes, I took up the offer. So that's why, because I'm not really a chocolate fan, left for me alone, I wouldn't bake a chocolate cake, you understand? But because someone wants me to bake it for them, based on their judgment from the red velvet cake that I made, so I decided to bake this chocolate moist, very moist cake. My cakes are usually moist and nice, not too sugary too. So on the ingredient list, I have sieved flour. This is sieved flour. Then here is unsweetened cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa powder. This is my buttermilk. If you watched my red velvet video, you would know how to make a homemade buttermilk. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. Leave your comments there as well and like the video. Then I have vanilla essence. I have my baking soda, baking powder. This is coffee. Some people don't add coffee to theirs, but I want my customer to have a very luxurious and fantastic experience. So I'm going to be adding coffee. I'll add hot water to it. The water is yet to boil. Then I have eggs, I have sugar, and I have some vegetable oil. If you don't have vegetable oil, you can use butter. I have butter, but I want to try out vegetable oil. Okay, so the first thing is to mix all the dry ingredients together. By dry ingredients, I mean the flour, the unsweetened cocoa powder, the sugar, the baking soda, and the baking powder. So I'm going to go all in and sieve my cocoa powder into the baking flour, because I don't want, the reason why I'm sieving it is that I don't want lumps in my dry ingredients. So I'll quickly do that, and when I'm done with that, I'll add the rest of the dry ingredients. Guys, I finished sieving the cocoa powder into it. I'm going to go in ahead with my baking powder. After that, the next thing is the baking soda. Then sugar. So if you remember earlier, I said that we'll have to mix the dry ingredients together. I've seen a lot of people mixing theirs with a whisk, but I'm comfortable working with my spatula, so I'm going to be using my spatula for this. So it's just to incorporate and stir and make sure that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. The dry ingredients, so that they're thoroughly mixed. Continue to stir and mix everything. We prefer to use a whisk, cool and fine too. And for my spatula is just fine for me. Guys, I had to turn this into another pan so that I can mix. Meanwhile, I want to also say that I've turned on my oven to preheat at 350 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, I've also greased my baking tins for this. So I'll continue. Now I'm going to be adding the liquid ingredients. As you can see, I've mixed the dry one. So I'll be adding the liquid ingredients and continue to mix. So these are my eggs. I can also go in now and add the oil, the vegetable oil. Next thing, I can add my buttermilk now. There's really no process to adding these dry ingredients. You just keep, you can add anyone at any, you can actually add all of them. So this is vanilla extract, vanilla essence. Yeah. And I will quickly continue to stir this now to mix everything together. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so this is, some people, theirs is watery. I don't know why mine is not watery, but this is a good mix anyway. So I'm going to be adding the final thing remaining, which is my coffee, my boiled coffee. It's in hot water. Yeah. So I'll quickly mix this too. Mix it very well. Yeah. Okay, maybe that texture or consistency I want in my head will finally happen now with the addition of this coffee. Yeah. Imagining if I would have been able to do this with a mixer. Because even with this spatula, oh, I like how chocolatey the color is. Yeah. Anyway, the unsweetened cocoa powder I bought, there are various ones in the market. I might not be revealing the exact one I bought, but there are ones that when you use them, the color might not be this dark. Yeah, so that is that. Look for a good brand and buy unsweetened cocoa. Okay guys, so this is the consistency I have now. Okay guys, so this is the consistency I have now. There are no lumps and this is thoroughly mixed. I'll quickly want to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so immediately so that you're one of the first to get a notification when I post a new video. In as much as I always hammer on subscribe, I also want to let you know, especially those that haven't subscribed, even if you don't want to subscribe, just like my video, leave comments. Your likes are particularly important because what it does is that it makes you to suggest my video to other people all over the world to watch it, and that way it increases my watch hours. Okay, so the next thing will be to turn this mix into my baking tins. Yeah, I love this. So here we go. Okay, this one is for a client. Then this little, I'll pour this little into my baking pan. That's the one I'll use to taste what I've done, because like I said, this is my first time and I'm not really a fan of chocolate cake, but it's good to test now, have you, my people? This one is for testing. So guys, I'm quickly gonna put this into my oven now. Yeah, Bake this for between 30 minutes to 50 or something minutes. How you know that it's done is that when you insert a toothpick, let me show you, it will come out clean. When you insert the toothpicks, it comes out clean. That's the way that's how you know that it is done. It comes out clean. It's done. So I'm going to quickly turn this into this plate and taste it here. So it broke when I was trying to turn it, but the inside is moist, as you can see. So taste it. So this is it. The cake is very moist. Okay, it's moist. Yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video, and see you in my next video. Bye guys, see you.